Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Car Look Today, where we explore the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today we have a special treat for you, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. This UV has set new standards in design, technology, and performance, making it a standout in a crowded market. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Tucson features a bold and dynamic design. Hyundai's sensuous sportiness design language is on full display here with sharp lines, a prominent grille, and sleek LED headlights that give the Tucson an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The sculpted body panels and futuristic tail lights enhance its modern aesthetic, making it a real head-turner on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Tucson offers a range of powertrains to suit different needs. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth and efficient driving experience. For those seeking more power, there's an available hybrid option that combines a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor, providing impressive acceleration and fuel efficiency. The top-of-the-line plug-in hybrid variant offers an all-electric range of up to 30 miles, perfect for city driving. Inside, the Tucson is all about comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious with high-quality materials and a sleek, minimalist design. The centerpiece of the interior is the 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary driving information in a clear and customizable layout. For audiophiles, the available Bose premium sound system delivers crisp and immersive audio. Safety is a top priority for Hyundai, and the 2025 Tucson is packed with advanced safety features. Hyundai's Smarts and Suite includes forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, the new remote smart parking assist allows the Tucson to park itself with the push of a button, making tight parking spots a breeze. In summary, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is a perfect blend of style, technology, and practicality. Its striking design, advanced powertrains, and cutting-edge features make it a top choice for anyone in the market for a new SUV. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates. See you next time. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.